Oh, hey, you're awake. No, 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 no. Calm down. It's just me. You're in my apartment. Come on, come on. Stop for a moment. Just breathe. Everything's okay. There you go. In and out. Just like that. There's no need to apologize. It must be terrifying. How are you feeling? You must be exhausted. You fell asleep not too long after I got some food in you, as well as some clothes. I can't even imagine. How bad is the pain? I don't have any strong painkillers or anything, but I can give you over the counter stuff. Here, take these. I got you some water too. Look, I already know you aren't going to want to talk about this, but we need to. Yes, we do. No, I can't just let this go. I need to know what's going on. I found you, half dead. That makes this my business. How long were you out there for? 5 hours? You're lucky to be alive. What the hell were you doing out there? What do you mean that's where you sleep now? How long have you been sleeping outside like that? A week? Jesus. Those bruises. Who did that to you? Look, I know you don't want to talk. I don't blame you. But I need to know. Please. You're safe. I promise. Please. Tell me. Your parents? Jeez. This was a week ago. And it's still this bad? Hey, shh, shh. Don't cry, sweetheart. You're okay. They can't hurt you anymore. You're safe. You're safe. No one's gonna hurt you here. Has this ever happened before? Not like this? What do you mean? You're used to the beatings? What? But they never permanently kicked you out before? Your dad's an alcoholic and your mom just doesn't care. Hmm? You want to sit up? Alright, let me help you. I'll be as gentle as I can, alright? I'm going to support your head, okay? Just stay wrapped up in those blankets. I know. I'm sorry, hun. Are you okay? Good. Can I hug you? Yeah. Okay, come here. You're safe. I promise. Shh. I know. I know. It's okay. You can cry. I'm here. I'm here. You got laid off. So they beat you and kicked you? And they kicked you out? I'm so sorry, honey. I know. I know it still hurts. But you're safe now, love. Look at me, okay? You're safe. No one will ever hurt you again like that. I promise. You know, we'll have to go to the hospital, right? Wait, stop. You're gonna hurt yourself. Yes, you need to go. Your ribs are broken. I will be there the whole time with you, okay? Yeah, the police will probably have to get involved. I know that's not what you want to hear, but your parents need to take responsibility for their actions. They aren't even your real parents. Why are you protecting them? How? How did I know that? Well, I. Shit. I. I don't really know how to tell you this, so I'm just gonna say it outright. You're adopted. I'm adopted. We come from the same birth mother. We're twins. I know it sounds insane, but I swear, I'm not lying. Just hear me out. It's not like I'm a stranger. I I mean, we've known each other for how many years now? Hey, hey, calm down. You're breathing way too fast. It's okay. Just hey, no, don't get up. Whoa, are you okay? Shit. Hey, are you okay? Hey, look at me. Damn it. You're gonna hate me for this. 911? Yes, I need an ambulance as soon as possible. Um, they were out in the storm and they just collapsed. I need help. They're really badly hurt. Okay. I'll calm down. I'll calm down. I'm not entirely sure. I think they're going in and out. Hey, hey, can you hear me? Please. No, they're not responding. Hey, come on. Come back to me. Hey, please. Oh, thank God. Hey, you hear that? Hey, hey. No, come on. Don't let go. Hey, wake up. Well, that was a plot twist. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the audio. This script was written by Strange-Map-3004. And thank you to my channel members, Riverwood, Elila DE, Sin, Astrid Lemser, Call Me Ellie23, Harlan, DJ Anderson, Brianna Hose, Angie, and Wolf Rider 26. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, everyone.